In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a $1.5 million plus per month brand in what most people would consider a saturated market. And this is an e-commerce brand that's relatively new, so it's going to serve as a great example for what's accomplishable these days, because one of the keys that these guys have is really good mastery over direct response marketing, especially on Meta. So we're going to dive right into it. The brand I'm talking about is called Thriven. And as you see, they sell these elevated, ribbed, mid-waisted contour leggings. So, these leggings that just give you a nice shape and a nice lift, apparently. And we'll dive into the website here, but the most important thing I want to dive into first is the traffic behind the brand, because this is actually unbelievable. Well, it is believable. I've seen this done through my store, but then also some of the clients that we have at my business, one of my businesses. But anyways, you can see the traffic here is increasingly good. I mean, it's just getting better and better. Like, look at this, 600,000 monthly visitors. That's a lot of traffic. Generally, from all the data that I gather through my stores, clients, and softwares, I see generally a 1-to-3 ratio of traffic to sales. So for every one visitor, you get around $3 of revenue. Of course, that's not always perfect, but with those estimates, we can put this brand at well over $1.5 million a month. But here's what's most interesting, not just that they're scaling really hard, but also that they're getting traffic from all over the world, right? Not just the US. The US is the dominant place that they're getting traffic from, but France is really close in second, and then Netherlands is pretty close in third, and then Australia. So they're targeting some different markets that a lot of people wouldn't normally target, but they're doing it all through the same website, which is pretty cool. My guess is that in the meta ad side of things, they're segmenting their campaigns by country. And I'm not exactly sure about that because I can't actually look into their ad account. I know some of you insiders out there can do that, but I'm not going to do that. But what we can see, which is public information, Meta is legally required to show this to anybody, which is their Meta ads library. They have 530 different active results right now as we speak. And as you see, we have this sorted by most impressions. So what that allows you to do is deduce which of their ads are actually performing well. Generally speaking, the ads with the most impressions are the ones that are doing the best. These are the ads that are winning the most auctions inside the Meta ads algorithm. And as you see, there are actually a lot of image ads. And what I see right here, and this is actually an incredible lesson that you can take away, is just the perfect blend of creative diversity. Even just in these 4 top impression ads that they have, I would guess that these are all the ads that they need to run. Like, I've been really getting more and more into the idea of quality over quantity when it comes to running meta ads. And I think this is a perfect example of that right here. So let's start with the one with the most impressions. It's this one right here on the left. And this one right here is actually a partnership ad. It's a whitelisted partnership ad. So that's an incredible ad type, right? Because they're running it through the girl's actual profile and their own profile. Like, it doesn't get better than that. And let me show you here what it actually is.
Is this too much?
Here, let's just go back.
Is this too much?
Yeah, is this too much?
It's not you. It's the leggings. I didn't change my workouts and I didn't change my diet. I just changed my leggings. The thing is, these are not just...
That's actually such brilliant copywriting, because she's just saying, like, I didn't do all this hard work. I just did the super easy thing, which is get these leggings. Let's continue here.
Your average activewear legging. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is shapewear that you can wear to the gym. Secret's out.
That's also really clever. That positions it as a complete new mechanism, right? Saying this is shapewear that you can wear to the gym. What a good headline, am I right? Let's finish this out.
What makes these unique
It's also
is
funny.
not only do they have just the right
And,
amount of
obviously
scrunch,
she knows what she's doing.
But the compression ribbon technology on these lift, they snatch, and they shape especially the back. Take my word for it. It's not you. It's the leggings.
Yeah, that's a really good ad. I mean, they didn't even have any text on the ad, but it's super engaging. It actually looks just like a normal feed post, and that's what makes it so good. Add on top of that it's being ran as a partnership ad. Man, you cannot lose with an ad like this, right? And this is a perfect example of quality over quantity. Now, one interesting thing, let's just read the ad copy. It's kind of like a testimonial copy. I didn't believe the hype, then I put them on. The fit, seamless. The lift, unreal. These leggings don't just flatter, they transform. I've worn every brand under the sun. Nothing comes close. Now people ask if I've been training harder. I just smile because I know the secret is in the fabric. You won't understand until you try them. These guys are masters at direct response and invoking intrigue. Now, they're running to this collection page, which is a very common thing I see amongst some of the fashion brands that we own, but also the clients that we have. Running to collection pages like this, where you have a really clear offer being shown, is a really smart idea. And in fact, it's working extremely well for them. I also love that when you hover over it, it shows you like another nice image. That's a small thing, but a very nice touch when you're running this sort of funnel right here, which is a brilliant funnel. It's so simple. I actually love it. They obviously have a few years on their belt, right? So they launched in 2023. So almost 3 years, actually 3 years ago. Wow, it's 2026. But then let's look at this ad. This is their second highest impression ad. And as you see, it's basically an image ad targeting sort of like a middle of the funnel, right? So this is for people that already know about the brand. You know, maybe they've interacted through that first video, right? But they haven't bought yet. So they're just kind of showing them more options, a nice little offer there, and just kind of getting them more bought into the brand. Very simple. Anybody can make an ad like this. In fact, I'll show you how you can make an ad like this in just a second. If you just copy this image and you paste it here on the site draftpie.com, which is an AI tool to make premium product images in literally seconds and ads too. I can say switch the leggings in the first image with the leggings in the second image. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my sourcing agent, which is actually free. I'll add the link below if you want to go source any product for your store. And let's just pick one of these right here, for example. These have a lot of colors, so we'll just try something like this. I'll copy that image, I'll put it here, and then I'll just make this 9x16 still, because that's the same shape. And we'll generate, but actually let's generate a couple more. That's the cool thing about this tool, is you can generate multiple at the same time, just like this. And while we have that cooking, let's take a look at their third best ad right here. So let's exit this. Here's their third best ad. And as you see, it's another static image. It's really good. It's right in your face, right? I mean, these guys are brilliant marketers, and it's super easy and simple to understand. It just says, take your confidence back, lift that booty up to 50% off. So they're giving you a clean offer, very simple ad copy just to get you to go to the collection again. And then lastly, this is their fourth best ad. So we're going to watch it. The ad copy says, a snatched waist, curves that pop, that BBL effect in the mirror. This set is for the girl who trains hard and wants it to show. So let's actually see here. Just so you know, this is the key to a gym girl's heart. I'm going to turn off that music because I don't want to get copyrighted. So it's like a Valentine's Day video, and it's only 12 seconds long. So you see the creative diversity here on this account is just perfectly executed. And this is what Meta tells you is what they want in their campaigns. That's one of the cool things, is my agency actually is a Meta partnered agency with the highest tier badge available. So that means that we're driving over $4 million a year of ad spend, and they straight up tell us what works, right? And that's one of the things that they always have been emphasizing for a while now, is to have creative diversity in your campaigns. And I think this is a good way to explain what that means. You see exactly the different formats, very high quality formats that they're using that are really brilliant. One way to give your ads an extra boost, this is another thing that we're adding on all our brands and clients, is using Smart Reply to reply to all the comments and DMs that come from your ads. So a lot of times people will comment bad things on your ads, even if you're doing things right, mainly because people are either hating or because they've been burned by another brand, or maybe you do have disgruntled customers for whatever reason, and you want to make sure that you handle that. You don't want to leave those comments unattended for too long in there, because it will wreck your performance, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. So Smart Reply is a really convenient thing to just add on to your brand. Now, this is the ads that DraftPie made. This one's actually really good right here. I'm really impressed. This was just one simple prompt in a few seconds. So right now, it truly is the best time to be building, as you see, because we have all the data, we know what works. You have my channel where you can get all this information for free. You have a free sourcing agent you can use, which is the same one I'm using. I'll leave them below. And by the way, this platform is shopilab.ai. It's a research platform, course platform, and community platform where you can come learn how to launch your business or scale your business, get a bunch of really interesting data that's going to put you ahead, and where you can also join our community. We do a weekly call in there, and we have conversations literally every day about the latest things that are happening in e-com and AI. I'll leave all those things in the description, but all in all, very inspired by this brand and what they're doing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.